There was a cat with horns. People hate him. People teased him. He was so sad. He was alone. The unicorn came to him. The unicorn showed his horns. The unicorn said, "You are not alone." They became friends. A cat became happy. There were a cat with horns and the unicorn. They played together. But other cats teased at him because of horns. He was so sad. But the unicorn kicked other cats out. The unicorn saved him. They hugged together. The unicorn brought a cat to other unicorns. A cat made new friends. He became happy. He was not alone. A cat was living in the unicorn town. It was happy at first, but she became lonely because she was the only cat in there. She missed her cat friends. The unicorn brought other cats for her. She became happy. She appreciated to the unicorn. They hugged together. Unicorns are so kind. There is a cat with horns and the unicorn. A cat wanted yellow horns. So the unicorn brought him to the hair salon. A cat colored his horns to yellow. He loved his horns. They were satisfied. A cat appreciated to the unicorn. They became happy. There is a cat with horns and the unicorn. A cat wanted yellow horns. So the unicorn brought him to the hair salon. A cat colored his horns to yellow. He loved his horns. They were satisfied. A cat appreciated to the unicorn. They became happy. A cat was living in the unicorn town. A cat was injured. He was crying. The unicorn took him to the hospital. A cat get treated. The unicorn was so kind. A cat became healthy. They returned to the town. A cat appreciated to the unicorn. They became best friends. A cat and the unicorn went on their vacation. They were happy. But a cat fell into the water. A shark came to her. The unicorn threw himself to save a cat. The unicorn started to fight with the shark. The unicorn was so strong. The unicorn won. She saved a cat. They became safe.